Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Extreme flash floods hit streets of Monteforte Irpino, central Italy. The situation is critical in Monteforte Irpino, a municipality on the outskirts of Avellino, where the violent rains that began shortly after 4:30 p.m. are bringing the upper areas of the municipality to their knees, while a river of water has invaded some city streets, such as Via Loffredo and Via Nazionale. Numerous parked cars dragged for hundreds of meters. The mayor, Costantino Giordano, has launched an appeal on Facebook: do not leave the house except for very urgent reasons. Numerous teams of the Avellino Fire Brigade at work. In the historic center, the same area severely hit by a flood last year, 5 people were evacuated who had taken refuge in the upper floors of the houses after the total flooding of the terrace rooms. At the moment no injuries are reported, but the damage count is destined to become substantial. Flows of water and mud have invaded the historic center of the municipality following the heavy rainfall that began in the early afternoon. The situation remains critical, especially in Piazza Aldo Moro, where the town hall is located, already severely hit 2 years ago by the flood of September 2020. There are dozens of firefighters, including a team from Foggia, committed to monitoring the situation and providing assistance to motorists who have been stuck in cars dragged for hundreds of meters along Via Loffredo and Via Nazionale. Mario Bellizzi, provincial commander of Avellino of the Fire Brigade, after having also heard the mayor, stresses that at the moment there are no injuries in Monteforte Irpino. The evacuation of at least 5 people, including some disabled, by the Red Helmets of the Avellino detachment has been confirmed. In the coming hours, precipitation should give a respite even if the weather alert with a yellow code has been extended to tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.